How to use music to deal with or treat depression. Now in this video, we're going to look at 3 key points of how you can use music to deal with or treat depression. Now, before we go any further, let's look at what depression is. What is depression? Let's define the meaning. Depression is a low mood that lasts for weeks or months that affects your daily life. Symptoms of depression include feeling unhappy or hopeless, low self-esteem, and finding no pleasure in the things that you usually enjoy. Now, many people underestimate the power of music. Studies have shown that it can improve memory, reduce stress, and even alleviate physical pain. Music is inextricably linked with emotions for many people, and it has a significant impact on their moods. It's only natural to turn to some music when you're sad, angry, or unproductive to cheer you up, let off some steam, or put a spring in your step. Music has been shown to reduce anxiety, blood pressure, and pain, as well as improve sleep quality, mood, mental alertness, and memory according to studies. The fundamentals of incorporating 3 simple methods that you must consider or analyze in order to use music to shift your mental prison. Number 1, your choice of music. Now, the content is basically down to your taste. What I would highly recommend is to focus on instrumentals or lyrics that you relate to as an individual or remind you of a specific good time in your life. Try and develop good listening habits to the best of your knowledge so you can gain an understanding from the songs that you're listening to of the solutions that can lift you out of a low mood. It's very important to select good, uplifting, and clean music so you can generate ideas and solutions to help cultivate a better mood. Number 2, the time you listen to music. What's the appropriate time to listen to music? Many studies have suggested that the best time to listen to music is in the morning when you first awake. If you feel anxious or stressed when you wake up, try listening to music throughout the morning to calm your mind and ease you into the day. Make a morning playlist that will slow your heart rate and lower your cortisol levels. Slower tempos have been shown in studies to help relax your muscles, ease your mind, and relieve stress. Now, Diane Silver and Robert Deutschmann, who wrote the book Pathways to Freedom using the Silver Method, say that the 2 benefits of listening to music in the morning are mood regulation and self-awareness. Now let's look at the benefits of listening to music in the morning. Number 1, morning music facilitates mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness is a key component of gaining success in your life. Number 2, music stimulates your creativity. Now, if you live a creative life, then listening to music at all times during the day as well as the morning will always stimulate and help your mind. Number 3, it improves brain functionality. Singing to music in the morning helps our brains get started. Imagine waking up every morning singing along to your favorite song with the added benefit of improving your brain function. Singing is good for your mental health as well as your cognitive function. Number 4, music gives you a unique focus. If you don't know what cortisol is, basically it's nature's alarm system. It's realized when you're stressed out. Anything that calms it down is going to be a good thing. In a few studies, music has been shown to speed up recovery and allow for a lower psychological stress response. We could all use a little less stress. Number 5, listening to music in the morning boosts the immune system. According to Sussex University, after listening to just 50 minutes of uplifting dance music, the levels of antibodies in volunteers' bodies increased. Even if it's not dance music, make sure you listen to something that you enjoy, which could also help with the same results. And lastly, our 3rd and final key point for you to use music to help treat depression is reciting lyrics. If you want to keep your brain engaged throughout the aging process, listening to or playing music is a great tool. It provides a total brain workout. Now, research has shown that listening to music can reduce anxiety, blood pressure, and pain, as well as improve sleep quality, mood, and mental alertness and memory. At their core, memories are stored as electrical and chemical signals in the brain. Nerve cells connect together in certain patterns called synapses, and the act of remembering something is just your brain triggering these symptoms. Brain cells work together to make the brain as efficient as possible. Why is memorization and reciting lyrics important? Memorization frees up the conscious mind and enables it to focus on things other than reading a script, i.e. sheet music. With music and your favorite tunes memorized, our conscious mind is free to more fully focus on other more musical aspects of your performance or of the things that you're doing. So if you're listening to something that helps you or something that you can actually relate to, once remembered, it can have a general positive impact on your mood. Reciting music and understanding the message in various songs also improves your language comprehension and reading. And finally, memorizing songs can improve your breathing as well as promoting pain relief through embracing postures and cardiovascular exercise to enhance the tuning of your voice. When most people think about memorizing a song, they focus on memorizing the song lyrics.